Good morning, my dear students. Today is 6 August ka. August ki tang taruk salgre 6 August 2021 Friday. That means the last class of the week. Ka. Ada hafta ki last class ni ka. Aduna Monday namit ki ra kaina kari change tawdra tawroidra habi koi osa sabi mon gai ki khana rakhi ka aduga let's see what is can be done ka aduna yanga last class of the week means tomorrow and day after tomorrow there will be holiday. Holiday means we have to cover all the unfinished work haidi kaina hafta sita tahogdaba silhogdaba koi ki wala ho ko leidana ka aduga masing do lotion ga dawni ka hafta amda suti ani phange haidana ka tumdana chadana nuai thukna class sing tabida ko tabida lehogano leigano ka yanda rening is aduna hafta sida oja karam oja ge notebook note silhodre karam oja ge notebook wala hore kayu khomak to hode haiba sing do revise amthang check tok thoga yanda ba aduga kai dawdaina to hoda ba thabak sing do lotion na bo hona ga dabani ka yanda rening is jaduna yo attendance ki paluragadi is very shocking ka amna nuaite kaginamta out of 102 level chhatra singe manung da only 30 to 40 students are attending our class regularly no magi chhatra kuntra natra nifu dai hena class yengte endarba that means kaina 1/3 khatane ba khorina chhatra sina koi class yenga is 1/3 pu yodre natra dadi where the remaining students atoba chhatra lem hori ba chhatra kai chakharge ba अखोना तौरी से मखोगी दमतदी याउद्रब्रा हाइनिंगी का अदुदना क्लास 20 याउरिबा छात्र सिंगना नमानब सिंगी कांटेक्ट लैरगदि का I request to you all that please pass the information that the students are to attend the class regularly. छात्र सिंगी क्लास 20 याउदबनी हाबसे नखोना मतंग हाइबियु का कइगिना मतमदा you are in class 10 नि का आइना हानसु हाइ करि हाइगे School da tauriba exam macha singse don't tear it lightly. Am light of thukanu ka be serious. Ka kaigina matamda outside lairiba conditions na hayenoi for exam da face tawba yabagi condition lakpa ya laktabe we cannot say. Asi pagi lairiba conditions kem da haibangam de ka. Hoi koi CBSE ki site tagi tam ani thona exam conduct tawba ga na hana tauri. Adu de koi dum tawduna laba phone ni natra. Tam 1 and tam 2 la puna tra dai mark to total up torga na koi hanadi CBSE ki final exam se katang adai to phangma mark to khatane bena koi local is ka but adu bu kai dawre hojikti tam 1 dagi phangpa mark ne tam 2 dagi phangpa mark ne ani total up torga koi na mark sama ka doine ba adu duna tam 1 da phangma mark sida handa ki ju tho is ni ka handa ki ju chhatra fa ba sing ning ma kai ba mayam yauri si ka kai gina matam da exam amang da to give exam sing se line thoki bai tare na badagi tha hoda bani khangde badagi exam da se sune lo da bani khangde tawdana final exam gi mark total up tor matam dati marks name na phangba hai tare mokoi masa budi haijaba adu mokoi na exam amang da tawgi ba sing do line lo gi badagi exam da mark pura total tor matam da mark to name na phange ba janai ka adu dana adugum dana koi da thok tana bagi damukta class sang line ya hobusina oja singna kari hairi kari information pirai e oja singna kari tawhaningi haibu poto nakoi da leina bugi damaktane jandai koi haningi sa adu dane ngo chhatra class yaw dama sing do namanabi sing pau pauna ragadi agi video gi through da id ka toina nakoi bu class yaw na bugi damakta appeal tawrisini ka class ya hobusina ke dore it will be very helpful to you all ka for your careers lifelong career ka ingi tungi punsi da sana sa pamatam da yamna kana ba wai gani yan dar bai sa exam da kitang mark hangwa duna kana roi ka akoi gi knowledge tuni yamna maru wai ri se yan dar ka dune ngo ngarang we have done up to question number to da ngarang question number kya bu tau gre yes we have done up to question number 7 ka question number 7 bu tau gre and today we will be starting with question number 8 si makha ta hori sing se ka loina mana ba ngatane kana once the concept of trigonometry ratio se phajna clear we gitar ga di hangi ba question sing loina khumbang am ga doi ni ka yarbengo aduna question number 8 how se unka so exercise 8.1a question number 8 kari piri nga code A given the thrice code A is equal to how much is given 4 adu mana kari hangi now check whether 1 minus 10 square to prove the graph. One minus 10 square A divided by 1 plus 10 square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Yan tayo kasi check tau habani manaram ba ya manaram da ba ya ka adu ko pwede ama step manay na law step rat to check hara siyo ka sta checking na tharo daga na to check hara si ka adu checking check tau habani na ko checking tau ba daga tare adu na yo we have kai na say thrice code A is equal to 4. Okay, lani se mamang what ke wada maina so the lady with 3 just on the puturo cross multiplication tau bani ka adari kari fangani se code A it will be equal to 4 by 3. Yan tarba se fangani ka and this day yang ngasih pusala se ngo code A se ko le kari so high it is the reciprocal of 10A. So 10A will be equal to 3 by 4. Yan tayo siya. Hanggang ika, aduna siya nga. Then 11 side to what you have? 1 minus 10 square A divided by 1 plus 10 square A. Now you replace the value. Value sinjalo 1 minus 10 is 3 by 4. So you will be squaring on both sides. So 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. Yan tapos siya. Ngayon ka, code A is not 4 by 3 by target 10 will be how much? 3 by 4 na tra kung nalima. Sumika. Ano tadi kaya lagi nga 10 gi value sa sinjalap to na tra. Ano ni ko sisla isiyong ka. Ano na nga makatabata now you simplify this. Simplify toro. Kailani ho 1 minus 9 by 16. 1 plus 9 by 16. So LCM lang thora di 16 all divided by 16 minus 9. 16 plus 9 by 16. So it will be 16 minus 9 is how much? 7 by 16 into 16 by 25. So it will be 16 is cancelled. So what is remaining? 7 by 25. This is your answer. Clear? This will be the answer for the 11th side. Can I go say? Okay, si one is low. Then after that, let's look at the right hand side. Right hand side to mung si ko. Kitang lati reflection lai badi yawi ka. To kitang muna yengo. When I simplify tau ko hera gadi, I'm like to ini ka. Dari ko to di sibok sile ka. Next thing now you take the right hand side. Right hand side to know what you have. Cos square A minus sin square A. Yengo sida di cos ni ko lai isa. The cos line of cos sin line we have to convert it into term of cot or 10. Cot or 10 one to go the nika. And the cot one to carry su, not forget 10 the one to carry su, the way the gang up. Suppose divide and multiply by kanana se sine square area to ren khalo okay le được không sine square a by sine square a cos square a minus sine square a ले यानी देखिए ले लिया मुझसे sine square से थम भी रहो कितना ले हो रहा है cos square a divided by sine square a minus sine square a by sine square a ले रहा बा इसी कितना ले क्या sine square a whole bracket इसी कितना लानी cos square a minus 1 देखिए कोई ने कहीं भी फंगे साइन की वैल्यू दी फंग दे नत्रा कोड की वैल्यू दे कोई ना वैल्यू तुम सिंजन पे याद रहा यही का तो ना साइन की वैल्यू चा उठोक से हो कोई ने साइन लाइक ही तो कहीं ना कोड से कहीं नहीं है बा कोड इतना was how much 4/3 नत्रा ताकि सीमा तंबीरा मो then you draw a right triangle Dengar. This is A, this is B, this is C. So, chord means what? Chord is adjacent by opposite natra. The adjacent say koi na. This will be side of chord A will is equal to 4/3. 4/3 लगता है this will be 4 and this will be 3. Yan dari ka. So sida ay samage means karina. Here this will be 5. Clear? Aduna sine square is sine se karine hai ba. Sine is opposite by adjacent opposite by hypotenuse natra aduna opposite is how much here 3/5 whole square cos se kanan hai ba sai ki da 4/3 whole square minus 1 second daraba adar ke le gya ngo 3 square is 9 25 16 9 1 then 9 25 you take the LCM 9 16 minus 9 that is क्या लेगा बस कितना 9/25 into this will be how much 16 minus 9 is 7/9 so it get cancelled so what is remaining 7/25 इस ताकि तो माना की प्रेस है ये का अदना Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, it is correct. Can take us? Okay, note it down. Single single lo yang Now you read the next question, question number 9. Question number 9 yang apa? Question number 9 yang apa? Reganto question number 9 para apa? Question number 9 sayang as we did just before in question number 1 ka. Question number 1 na tahu kita tu sama na tu ini 10a से p तो है 1/√3 p का तो मखा द p तो की से पुतो है बनी question 9 से के दौरे I'll be doing only one हम का तंग तौगे का तो one remaining will be given as a homework Nghe ngon. Question number 9 say right angle at B. Si figure như tụm này là gì cả? Question number 9 B. Roman number 1 the given the PVC carry now. Tan of angle A is equal to 1 by root 3. Pagkakadaba sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Đúng không? Từ na tan A is so Sunday we knew that koi na kari khange tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent. Clear? So this will be tan A is with the figure tan kanatari today opposite this one, hypotenuse is this will be opposite, this will be hypotenuse, and this will be adjacent. So with the figure tan A is 1 by root 3, therefore opposite is BC divided by AB. And we knew that every ratio has a common factor. Asai itu dikhangnya na hot kita bani ko paitha bani tom season ada betul ka machine no direct phang bani na tengok adi kana lagi yang se BC will be K and AB will be root over thrice K. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC will be AB is how much? Root over 3 K plus BC is K. It will be thrice K square plus K square. This will be 4K square. So AC will be how much? AC will be equal to twice K. So it will be how much? AC is twice K. BC is how much? It will be 1. K. And AB is root over thrice K. In the leka. Okay, note it down up to this first. One silo. Yeah, record to there. Okay, then. Now let's find the value of sin C or cos C. Kaya yaw lisin ka. C putora siya nga. Then sine of angle A. Sine से कहीं नहीं आएगा. Opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is K. Hypotenuse is twice K. So K get cancel. So 1 by 2. Similarly, then cos C. Cos से कहीं नहीं आएगा. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent to the angle C, that will be K, hypotenuse is twice K. So it will be 1 by 2. Then cos A. Cos A will be adjacent to angle A is so adjacent to angle A is root over thrice K. Hypotenuse is twice K. So K got cancelled. Root over 3 by 2. Then sin C. Sine C is opposite to by hypotenuse, so opposite is root over 3k by twice k, so k get cancelled thrice by root over 3 by 2. Then, sila ganun na ipangin natra. Ito di kayo daragay nga. Sine A cos C plus cos A sine C. Then you put the values. Sine A is 1 by 2. Cos C is also 1 by 2. Cos A is root over 3 by 2. Sine C is root over 3 by 2. Then you multiply this 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So 4 is common. So 1 plus 3, that is 4 by 4. So how much will be the value? 1. Clear? Thank you, Sima. Now note it down. Yeah, like Sima. This Roman number 2 to Manako Yum to Hotsaroka. That will be given as a homework. Another. Simulta lagi. Lagi don't put pa yan. Ikaw value daw. Therefore, your homework for today is question number 90, Roman number 2. Yan tara ba? Catching it sinjala. Okay, today nga. Nasi kita sila selesai. Question ini kita ngah awal ka. Question ini se ot po budi. Ot pa ya bane to kita sang ne to bani ka. That will take time. Adana ngasi ot pa nangaroy. Adana matang class ta hola sika. Yan tara ba se? Sa dunay nga. Once again, I'm telling you all your friends that please attend your class regularly ka. Class sang na pajana yaw view ka. Class yaw basna. We have been telling you repeatedly that it will be very helpful to your long life career ka. Tung sige way ba damatam da yam kana bo ka ni ka hayan ko ninga mo oy. The exam talk matam da zo as usual. I am telling you that be serious for every exam. Exam ko timu serious ta sika. Can ka? Okay then, see you all in the next class. Bye bye.